Hi Eric, here's some video feedback for you. I think your site looks really great overall, it really does, and your images that you've placed in here are really nice. I would break this down to where you're lining up the bottom of your dollar sign here and your text. You've done that down here really well, so I would do that. The images just look great. You've done a great job. Maybe one more line here to align that. And work on that throughout, but you've just done a great job with your menu. It looks really good and professional here. You have your about. Needs to be cut down. This should be like 2 paragraphs. That shouldn't take you too much to do. Half that much content, that's why we give it to you, so you can cut it down. So I would break up the text in a few paragraphs and edit that down. This looks great. Usually we want to get right into the about content. But I'm not picky about that right now because it overall looks good. I like that you have this as route and stops. A little hard to read some of this over the image here. It's possible you could put a pale green box behind it that's very, very low opacity to help give a little more contrast, but really it's the contrast that's kind of tough. Okay. Nice. You really don't have a lot of revisions for this. If I were you, I would, this is a font that suddenly shows up. I'm not sure about that. And don't think you need a whole page for the social media like that. Just a contact page or a find us, because you can put your social media, you've got it down here. So you really don't need this at all. So if I were to, for you to revise it, just take this off and let that be your contact. Yeah, this probably you can just put in a footer instead of in the middle like this. Plus you have your contact here. So yeah, maybe just if you want to put a phone number, you can add that down here somewhere maybe. But otherwise, it's really a pretty strong site. This, I like this. Love what you've done here. Great job. The logo, and this is good too, but the logo doesn't quite work. It's just too big and white. Maybe better as a little opaque overlay over the video or something, or even removed and just put at the top somewhere if you have a little bit more space here in your banner. But yeah, unless you put it on a blue background, maybe with a white circle, it's just a little too stark and white. But otherwise, you've really done a good job for your first time out on this one. So nice work.